Welcome aboard Frontier Airlines, America's greenest airline. Your flight attendants today are the Atlanta-based flight crew. On behalf of your crew and everyone here on Team Frontier and Edward the Bald Eagle on the tail wing, thanks so much for traveling with us today. Because we care about your safety and in preparation for departure, be sure all carry-on items are stowed under your seat and that all seats and tray tables are upright. Make sure your small electronic devices are held or secured in the pocket, seat pocket, or carry-on for takeoff. Please pause the use of electronic devices. Remove the safety information card from the seat back pocket and direct your attention to our lovely and handsome flight attendants. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flight middle end into the buckle. To adjust, pull the loose strap and release lift the top of the buckle. The seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap. This aircraft has 10 emergency exits. There are 2-door exits in the front and 2-door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 2-door exits main cabin after the wing. There are also 4 overwing exits, 2 on each side. Each is equipped with an evacuation slide that inflates automatically when open and slides at the forward and after exit doors may be used as rafts. Signs overhead and lights on the floors lead to all exits. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exits. Keep in mind they might be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave behind all carry-on belongings. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from the overhead compartments throughout the cabin and inside all lavatories. Quickly pull down on a mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and adjust the fit by pulling on the elastic tab. Make sure you adjust your mask first before assisting a child or others. Although oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. A life vest may be found under your seat or in between the seats as depicted on the safety information cards. In the event of water evacuation, remove the life vest under your seat when instructed to do so by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container, remove the pouch, and pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and insert the end into the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab on the front or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The use of life vests for infants and small children may be found in the safety information card. Additional life racks are located in the overhead bins. Location and instructions of these additional life racks may be found in the safety information card. Also on the safety information card, you will find instructions for the use of the escape lines. Escape lines are designed to assist customers evacuating through a window exit and while we are aboard the aircraft wing during the water evacuation. They are located in the marked overhead bins in the main cabin. For everyone's safety and comfort, federal regulations require all customers to comply with the posted placards and light signs throughout the cabin, as well as crew member instructions. A friendly reminder that smoking is not permitted on any Frontier flight, including the use of vape pens. And federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a laboratory smoke detector. Flight attendants are now passing through the cabin to conduct our final safety checks before takeoff. Please let us know if you have any questions about the information covered in our safety briefing. Thanks again for choosing Frontier Airlines, and we look forward to taking care of you during this flight, this 4 hours and 3 minute flight. Thank y'all so much.
And then just make sure you push the backpack all the way into the seat.
We will not be dipping the cabin for takeoff. There's additional rating lights above your head. Thank you and enjoy your 4-hour and 3-minute flight.
Flight attendant, ready to have for departure. morning. We'd like to give a special welcome to French Air Miles Elite members, Discount Den members, Go Wild Pass holders, and French Air Airlines Sponsored Card members. Thanks for choosing to fly with us. We're happy to have you on board. Your safety comes first.